Hello everyone, welcome to Educators Plus, and in today's short video we will be discussing about lecture method. So basically lecture method is a teacher centered strategy method and it is used for large groups. Now lecture method is the most conventional and dominating teaching method and is preferred by many teachers. And basically in this a teacher attempts to explain facts, principles or relationships to help learner understand. Now the teacher is an active participant and the students are assumed to be passive listeners. And usually the students do not converse with the teachers, during the lecture by the teacher. So that way we can also say that it is one-way communication. Now the teacher talks more or less continuously to the class and the class listens, writes and notes facts and the ideas for remembering and to think them over later. Right now it can be made of two-way communications when the teacher allows students to ask few questions to clarify a point, but no discussion is usually held under the lecture method. Apart from that, so the basic features of lecture method is that it is formal in nature and narrative in nature, and it presents a series of events, or we can say facts, and it explores the problem. Now talking about the advantages of lecture method, so it is economical and because only a single teacher can teach a large number of students at a time, so it saves so basically it saves much time and also the economic cost. Apart from that, it simplifies the task of the teacher and it is useful for imparting factual information and drawing attention to its important points. Apart from that, another advantage is that it's during lecture interruptions and distractions are usually avoided. But now let's discuss about the limitations. So basically it provides very little opportunity for students activity. Apart from that, it usually does not provide opportunities to learners to solve problems, and it offers very limited opportunities for checking learning progress, whether the students are attending and understanding all that what his teacher is explaining. Apart from that, the interest, abilities and the intelligence of students are not taken care of, and it does not allow individual pace of learning, right? So yes, these were some shortcomings of the lecture method. So I hope you find this video helpful. Then please do like, share and comment and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.